Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix sorry something went wrong on Facebook. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. Let me tell you that it's very simple to fix this issue. So it's a network problem. So what you have to do is just simply open settings, and if you are using Wi-Fi, then you have to tap on Wi-Fi and forget the password of Wi-Fi, and then what you have to do is just simply forget this, and what you have to do is just simply again re-enter the password. And if you are using mobile data, then what you have to do is just simply tap on SIM card and mobile network, and after that what you have to do is just simply turn this off and turn this on again, and you have to turn it off and turn it on again, and you have to tap on preferred network type, and from here what you have to do is just simply check on 2G, 3G, 4G auto. So it's also done. So you have to tap on access point and names, then tap on 3 lines, and from here you have to reset to default your APN setting, and then go back to settings menu, and from here you have to tap on apps. It's showing here app management. So just simply search for Facebook from here, and you have to tap on notifications and make sure that you have allowed all the permission from here, then go back. So then tap on permissions and make sure that you have allowed all the permission from here. So I don't, so I have to allow all the permissions like this. So guys, after doing this, what you have to do is just simply go back, and you have to tap on storage and cache, clear cache and clear storage, and then go back, and then you have to force stop, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then what you have to do is just simply go to the Play Store and search for Facebook, and make sure that you have a latest version of Facebook. So you can see it's showing here open, so I have a latest version of Facebook. If it's appear here update, then you have to update your Facebook and go to that page and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then what you have to do is just simply uninstall the Facebook app and restart your phone from here, and after doing all the things, you have to reinstall your Facebook. Guarantee you that after doing all the things, your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. The video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.